Numerical fraction is, an example is this one, which is, okay, example 2/3. Okay, let me have the pen, which is this one. Okay. This one. Okay, 2/3 is a numerical fraction which is also equal to 2/3, for example, times 5, 3 times 5. And you can just cut 5 and 5. So this on the left, 2/3 is equal to 2/3. So we just cut out the common factors. So one more, I'll erase this one so you can see. Another example of a numerical fraction is, for example, 4/5. So when we have this 4/5, let's have 4/5 is also equal to 4/5 or 4/5. I will multiply the numerator by 2. I'll multiply 4/5. We have to solve algebraic fraction the same as when we do numerical fraction. Okay, so again, algebraic fractions are fractions that compose of expressions involving numbers, maybe letters, and so on. While numerical fractions are fractions with numbers. Example of numerical fractions are 1/2, 2/3, 3/5, or 3/5, or it can be 1/1,000,000. So we will have this, for example, okay, for example, students, we have x squared y, okay, divided by x. So how are we going to simplify x squared y over x is x and copy y. So this is the answer. This is an algebraic fractions. So another will be, for example, p squared, or maybe 2p squared minus 4 all over 6. So how do we simplify this algebraic fraction? So you have to take out the highest, minus 4, this one. The highest common factor is 2. Take it out. And then open and close parentheses. 4, this, okay, is 3. No, a little bit here. Okay, so the answer would be p squared minus 2 all over 3. This is the answer. So we just take out the highest common factor, you simplify, and that's the answer. Okay, don't worry about this, we'll have more examples. Okay, so how are we going to manipulate? So 1, how do we simplify 12a cubed b squared over 3a squared b cubed? So the first step is this, so easy. Divide 12 by, okay, divide 12 by 3. Okay, if you divide 12 by 3, this one, divide 12 by 3, so you just do the answer is 4. Yes. A squared divided by a squared is equal to a. And then b and b cubed divided by b squared is b. This is it. So I'll take it like this. 12 by a squared is equal to a. This is a. This one. And then the last is b squared over b cubed. So cut this, so we'll have like 1 over b squared. So if you combine them, the answer would be 4a in the numerator, 4a up there in the numerator, and in the denominator would be, by the way, this is b squared, so this must be only b. So the numerator is 4a, and in the denominator below the line is b. So the answer is 4a over b. So we just cut, and simplify. That's the answer, 4a over b. Okay? Next, if we have, that's the solution. Okay, can we have it again on the next slide, which is 12a cubed b squared. Okay, so it's easier to look. And this is 12a cubed b squared over, okay, can I have on the next, okay, with the previous one, okay, 3a squared b cubed, 3a squared, okay, 3a squared b cubed, yeah? Okay, we'll do it again so you will understand clearly what does it mean on how to simplify this. Okay, this is example number 1. So again, 12 divided by 3. The answer is 4. Okay, 4. If you answer it correctly, good job. Next, a cube, this a cube, this is a squared. So a cube divided by a squared, the answer is a over b squared divided by b squared is 1 times 1 here. B cube divided by b squared is b. The answer would be 4a over b. So this is the final answer. This is the simplified form of the algebraic expression 12a cubed b squared over 3a squared b cubed. So you just cut anything that has common factors. Cut to simplify. Okay? Okay. Next is this one. Example number 2. We already have the solutions here. So that you will know, we have the word simplify and then the solution. And your answer should have like, therefore, this algebraic fraction is equal to 5m. So this is the correct way on how to write everything. So how do we do it? By ourselves. So we will copy the given on the next slide and we simplify it as it is. So we just cut. In this case, we have plus and plus. Okay, I'll show you. This is plus, yeah, and the denominator has plus. So we can have this on the next slides. It's easy for you to understand how to do it. So we'll have, okay, I'll copy 45mn squared. Okay, let me have it. 45. Okay, this is for example number, sorry. Okay, so for this is, for number 2, we'll have this one. Yes? Okay, so that's 45. I forgot already. What is it? Okay, 45 mn squared. Mn squared. Okay, let me do it. Okay, 45 mn squared plus 15m 15m something. Okay, all over 9n squared plus 3mn plus 3mn. Let me check. 45mn squared plus 15m squared n. Okay. And then the last one is we have, okay, 9n, okay, sorry, 9n squared plus 3mn. Okay, so how do we simplify these algebraic expressions? So for the first one, we will get the highest common factor of the numerator. So this is the numerator, students. So this upper portion is the numerator. So you have to take out the highest common factor, which is this. I'll have it equals. So we have 45mn squared and 15m squared n. So it will be 15. Okay, and then m and m squared. So it's m n squared and n, so it's n, common is n, and then you do open and close. 45 mn squared divided by 15 mn. So 45 divided by 15 is 3. M divided by m is 1. No need to write 1. And then n squared divided by n. N squared divided by n is n. So it's 3n plus 15m squared n divided by 15mn. 15 divided by 15 is 1. M squared divided by m is m. N divided by n is 1. No need to write 1. Okay, let's move on to the denominator, this. Okay, this one. There are two terms, 9n squared and 3mn. So you have to take out the highest common factor. What is the highest common factor between these two terms? 9n squared plus 3mn. Okay, so that's 3. Okay, write 3, put it out. And then we have n squared and n, so it's n. The highest common factor is 3n, okay? Next step, divide 9n squared by 3n. The answer is 3n plus divide 3mn by 3n. The answer is m, yeah? Yes? So, in this step, we take out the highest common monomial factor. We put it outside the parentheses. So, it's like if you don't belong to the group of friends, some of them maybe will separate you like that. Or if you don't want to belong in this set of students or friends who really like to smoke, so you tell yourself, okay, I will not join them. I will go out. So the same here in algebraic fractions. You take out the highest common factor. Go out, or like that, yeah. So the next is cut. Because in the numerator, this one, and in the denominator, 3n plus m and 3n plus m. So the same. So cut it out. Cross it out. Yes? And we also have this one. Okay, 15 divided by 3, this one. 15 divided by 3, the answer is 5. And then m is m, yeah? Cut n and n. So we cut everything from the numerator and the denominator. So we cut everything, students. We cut because these are the common numbers or letters. Cut it, just cut because we have to simplify. Make it clear, simplify. So the answer is 5m. Okay. Is it clear? Okay. Students, if you have questions, you can ask me on Monday. Again, if you would like to have like maybe extra points, take a selfie with this live streaming. I can give you maybe a little bit of points for this, meaning you are interested to study math in English. Okay? Okay. Okay. How many minutes is that? Okay. Okay, that's it. Okay. So example number 3 is this, and we have the simplify, and we have the solution, and therefore, okay, maybe we'll have this on the next slide. So we'll have 2x squared minus 8x. Simplify 2x squared, okay, minus 8x over, okay, so this is for example number 3, all over, okay, x minus 4. X minus 4. Okay, how do we simplify this? First step, okay, First step, I'll have this one for the solution. Okay, first step, take out the common factor. How many terms are there in the numerator? There are two terms in the numerator. So we have 2x squared minus 8x. So in these two terms, students, we have to take out the common factor, which is the highest common factor. So the answer would be take out 2 because we have 2 and then this is x, this is 8x. So we have x squared and x. Take x out, yes? Yes. So divide this 2x squared by 2x. So it's open and close. Yes. 2x squared divided by 2x is x. Okay, all right, minus 8x divided by 2x is equal to 4. Yeah? Over. How about in the denominator? There are two terms. In these two terms, there are no common factors or no highest common factor, so you'll just copy x minus 4. Yes? So, what can you say, students, about this? About these algebraic expressions? So, you can see now that there are like common numbers and letters. So, what do you do next is to just cut it out. So, if you cut it out, students, cut and cut. Yes? So, the answer is 2x. And you can just write A and S for the answer and underline. This is the simplified form of the algebraic expression 2x squared minus 8x all over x minus 4. Okay, are you still in, students? Okay, maybe I speak too fast. So, it's okay. Again, you can approach me on Monday if you would like to ask questions about this, meaning you are interested to study math even though we're far away. Still, in ACT, we care. We help you in online classes. So you will understand better about math, not only Thai math, but also English math. Yeah? Okay, so let's move on. The last one. Don't worry, this is not really difficult. Okay, so the last is, okay, I will just show you this, okay, and for example, number 4, we'll have this. Maybe I'll change the color to red. Okay, simplify 3p minus 6 all over 2p minus 4. This one, okay. So, copy 3p minus 6 all over 2p minus 4 is equal to what is common in 3p minus 6. Take it out. And that is 3. We call this as the highest common factor. Okay, so just take it out. Divide 3p by 3. The answer is p. Divide 6 by 3. The answer is 2. And you just put it in the parentheses. So it's like this. 3 open parentheses. 3p divided by 3 is p. And then 6 divided by 3 is 2. So minus 2, close, all over. And then in 2p minus 4 this, students, in the denominator. So take out the highest common factor, the HCF, highest common. So the common is 2. So take 2 out. So 2 is like this, and then open and close. And divide 2p, this 2p, divided by 2. Yeah, the answer is p. Minus, divide 4 by 2. It's like 4 divided by 2. The answer is 2. So you can see that the algebraic expression is now clear that we have to cut the common, which is p minus 2. So what is the answer? The answer is 3 over 2, which is the same as this. Yes? This is the simplified form of 3p minus 6 all over 2p minus 4. It's like we simplify the algebraic fraction into 3 over 2. Okay, do you have questions? Again, you can approach me on Monday. I stay in Matayom 3 office in St. Peter building. Okay? And so, for your exercise, number 1, this is from your math textbook from page 79. If you don't have this book, don't worry about this because I have here the exercise 1. Please take a photo of this. Take a photo. And without me, okay, take a photo, students. Okay, take your phone, take a photo of exercise number 1. Because you have to do this in your on maybe A4 paper or student line paper and submit to me on Monday. Okay, I'll count until 10 and we're done with this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, next is how do you do it? So please follow the format on how to do your homework. So I'll give you, how many marks is this? 10 marks. Submit to me on Monday. So how do you do it, students? First, write the date. Write the date. And then Thursday, today is Thursday, 9 July 2020 or 2020. Underline using red pen, okay? Write exercise number 1 and underline, use again red pen to underline. Copy, factorize, and simplify. Example number 1, 15x plus 10 all over 5. Write the word as the solution, SOL. Underline, red pen. Show your solutions here, okay? For your final answer, you write A and S, you underline using red pen. So you just remember, if you underline, you use red pen. And don't forget to write your name up. Name, class, number, and below that, of name, class, and number, below is the date. If no name, how can I record? This is 10 marks. If you have the selfie with this live streaming, maybe I can give you more points, maybe 2 points more or 3 more points. Okay, and let's see. Example number 2, this, copy the given solution. And then you can write your solutions here, yeah, and A and S. Number 3, 4, 5 until 10. Okay, so let me go back to this so that, okay, you can take a picture of it, students, for the format. Okay, at the count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so this is it. So this ends our online class in Mathematics 3. And again, this will be session 11 in our Moodle class. So students, thank you for coming. I know that sometimes it's hard for you to go online. So I really appreciate you for coming to my online class today. See you later. Bye-bye. Enjoy your holiday for today.